Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tariq. Today I am going to start a new series. It is very simple. You can see there is a colors highlight blue, black and red. So it is very easy to understand what is the meaning of don't and what is the meaning of move in Urdu. So let's get started. I will repeat 2 times in Urdu and you have to listen carefully. Don't move. Hilo mat. Hilo mat. Now your turn. You have to pronounce hilo mat. Second, don't ask. Pucho mat. Pucho mat. Now your turn. Pucho mat. Don't come here. Yahan mat आओ. यहाँ मत आओ. यहाँ मत आओ. Now your turn. यहाँ मत आओ. Good. Don't tell a lie. झूठ मत बोलो. झूठ मत बोलो. Now your turn. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't forget. Don't forget. भूलो मत. भूलो मत. It's now your turn. भूलो मत. Good. Don't take tension. परेशान मत हो. Take tension means परेशान होना. Okay? So don't take tension. परेशान मत हो. Now your turn. परेशान मत हो. Don't take tea. चाय मत पियो. चाय मत पियो. Now your turn. चाय मत पियो. Good. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate means हिचकिचाओ. Don't मत. हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ. चाओ होता ना चाओ. चाओ. हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't be afraid. डरो मत. डरो मत. Now your turn. डरो मत. And the last one. Get some water. Get लाओ. Some थोड़ा. Water पानी. थोड़ा पानी लाओ. How to say? थोड़ा पानी लाओ. Now your turn. थोड़ा पानी लाओ. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, so if you like my videos, please tell me how am I teaching and what to do to improve my teaching techniques. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.